my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the art materials, what I'm using for my illustration. So before getting into the video, please subscribe to my channel and stay connected. The basic materials what we need for our art is the sketchbook. I usually use A3 painting pad, which is 140 GSM. I usually prefer microtip pencils than HB, which you can get a fine line. It's a fine liner. It will give you a very perfect lining. You can use this for outlining your hair and eye shades and even the dress outline. So basically we use this for outline. You will get different sizes in this, which is, you can see, very fine line, small, medium and bold. The next one is a pro marker skin tone. You will get 6 colors in this. It's a light shade. So I have used putty in this, so which is for this kind of skin tones, for skin rendering. It will be very useful. So these are the pen I use for illustrating heavy work designs. This is silver, white and gold. So you have already seen this illustration, which I have used this silver color here, which will be very useful for designing your dresses with silver coating. And you can use this for designer works in your illustration. You can see where I used this gold pen. The next one is a color pencil, which I have 36 coloring pencils. So even with these pencils you can use the skin coloring or outlining. So before getting the outliners and skin tone colors, I was using this actually. The next one I have is Faber-Castell 36 polychromes color pencils. This color polychromes will give you a fine work. It will give you a better look than the normal color pencils. So you can try this one. You will get 12 colors or 24 colors even. So for starters or beginners, you can try with small color ranges. In most of my illustration you have seen this color and this one. So for instead of giving the gold color pens, I was using this two to give you a gold color look. In silk materials or any jewelry designs, I was using this. So this is gold color pencil. I bought this separately. The next one is the art marker, which is 80 pieces. So you will get unusual colors in this. You have already seen in most of my illustration I have used it. So this is the empty pen I use for embossing technique. These are some of the brushes I bought here and in India as well. So I use these brushes for acrylic or watercolor. Sometimes I'll use this for a glitter purpose. So the next one is acrylic. This acrylic paint, Bold Mary, which I got here in London. And I also have watercolors from camelin, which is I use sometimes the watercolor, sometimes the acrylic one. And these are the glues, glitter which I have used in some illustration. So these glues will help you to give some sparkling effect in your illustrations. So once I applied this glue, after that I will apply this dust, so that you will get different type of look in your illustrations. So these are my watercolors and acrylic paint. That's all about the materials what I use for my illustration. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. So if you have any queries or any request about the illustration, what I want to do, or any specific dresses, please comment below and stay subscribed. Thank you.